Hey, bro, God, get the third term and fourth term loading. At least that's what a lot of Labourites are saying. But I want to say this to you all, both JLP and PNP supporters and just Jamaicans in general. The Honorable Dr. Andrew Holness is not a god. Bro, God is not a god. And you may be wondering, of course he's not. But you'd be surprised. If you listen to some Labourites speak, you wouldn't be able to differentiate the Prime Minister from a cult leader. And I'm asking you all, please check yourself before you wreck yourself. Nothing is wrong with liking the leader of your country, but there's a slippery slope and there is a very thin line between respect, love, and worship. And you do not want to ever worship the leader of your country. That's a very deep slope you don't want to go down. We have seen it through history. You don't want it to happen here. People, and Jonas is our Prime Minister. He's not your God. And if you listen to some of these Labourites speak again, you will hear it. The reverence in which they speak about this man in. And again, nothing wrong with respecting and loving your leader. However, there's a thin line, and I've been noticing that thin line has been almost crossed at this point. And I'm just saying this as a reminder for those who will hear it. Be careful not to, in your efforts to respect and honor your leader, be careful you don't slip into worship and blasphemy. But hey, these are just my thoughts. What are yours?